All right, guys. I know we've been in school for a couple of days now, and I'm going to introduce something that's going to be a little bit different. We're going to start doing something called Word of the Day. Actually, I'm going to rename it. We're going to call it Word of the Week. And our first word that we are going to do, that we're going to learn about today, is called grapevine. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Grapes are fruit. We know what grapes are, Miss Heidi. I know. But, did you guys actually see what grapes grow on? I couldn't find a better picture, so we'll just have to go with this cartoonish one, but still, it'll get the point across. So now, no, I know we're not going to talk about how they grow. Grapes grow on trees and they branch out and they have to have these supports called trendles because the grape bunches can get kind of heavy, so they need that support. That's not exactly what we're going to be talking about. Yes, we all like grapes, but we're not going to be talking about the actual grapevine. What we are going to be talking about is the people that you guys talk to. Now, I know you guys have heard some of your teachers say, hey, do you by any chance know anybody who could do some drywall work for me? Or, hey, Miss Heidi, do you know anybody that does some electrical work? Or do you know anybody who could fix I don't know, my car? You know, and I might say, yeah, hey, I might know somebody who does that. Let me talk to them, and I'll see if it's okay if I pass their number on to you, and we'll go from there. So that's the kind of grapevine we are going to be talking about, is all the people in the community that you might know, that mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, auntie, uncle, cousin might know, and just all the people that we talk to get the needs met that we might have, like getting our car fixed, or getting some work done on our house, or finding out information about how to maybe help somebody else in the community or in our family. That's called a grapevine. And the definition of grapevine, and you guys all have this, it's on your desk, and I sent it to you. The definition is an informal transmission of information by word of mouth. And unfortunately, sometimes that can be good or bad. Yes, you're right. Sometimes if somebody says that, might say something that might not be true about somebody else. You are right, Jacob. That's a bad example of something like that. But we're going to focus on the positive. So we're going to help our friends. We're going to help our family. And you guys see this big college word right here? Can you see that? That's called etymology. And that tells us where grapevine came from. And it's a shortening of grapevine telegraph, apparently from the spreading of a vine to the spread of a telegraph network, and from trendles to coil wires. So all the telephone wires that you see, all the telephone poles that you see standing up, that's what they went from trendles to those wires. And this early documented use is 1867. That was a long time ago. Okay, I put something else on your desk. It's called a Frere diagram. And you're going to put the word in the middle, and then you're going to write the definition. I want you to draw me a picture, and I want you to give me examples and a non-example of grapevine. Okay? So you guys know where the markers and the crayons and the colored pencils are. You guys can go get them. Just take two or three. Go put them back when you're done. And then you guys can take this home. And this one I will put in a binder. We're going to start this binder of the word of the week that we're going to do. And we're going to see how many words that we can use, how many new words that we can learn and use throughout the year. Okay? All right, go back to your desk and let's get busy.